Cut. Okay, I'm sorry about the cut. Okay. You already see the title. Obviously, you need to go on Google to show proof. Let me uninstall my Minecraft. Escape launcher to show proof. Okay. Escape. Instead of using legacy launcher, that's a lot of SK launcher only have a little bit megabytes. So legacy launcher have the megabytes of 819, I think. So to download the SK launcher, you already know the name. I already say it. SK launcher. I'm gonna go in SK launcher. Okay. I'm gonna press download, obviously. Click download. But don't follow my. That was not an instruction, okay? I'm just texting it. Test it. Okay. So you gotta wait. Down. Woo! Oh, by the way, I need to go in my downloads. Where's the downloads? 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 I'm kinda blind. Okay, I'm just blind. Okay, just. And I got it download again. Let me just cut it. Bruh. Cut! Cut! Okay. Obviously, go there. Let me just delete this thingies. We'll just not. Bruh. Only one SK launcher. Obviously, you gotta press it. Next, blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blue. Just press. Don't stop it. And the hell? Just ignore that. That's just my mom watching. Okay. Everything done? I think it's not done. But so. Yep, we gotta wait a full hour. It's a joke. Let me just cut it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And we're almost done. Boom! Okay, just go and finish. Okay. You don't wanna press that. You don't wanna press login with Microsoft. You wanna press switch to offline mode. And a username. Blah blah blah. And a username. So I'm not gonna reveal my username. So if you're done, hey, you see my name. I'm sorry. Now, if you are done, you can play. You can fucking play. Go. Why am I dead? cancel settings. Okay, so to pick versions, go to installations. Okay, just press on this. And if you're done, for fabric quilt new forms, and just press save. And just go on. Vanilla is good. So go. And you're done. Custom. Okay. And just wait, it's loading. Let's exit out of here. And use the SK launcher. And here you go. This is real. This is not fake. Okay. Look, I ain't even play. Just look. And why am I in a flipping birch area? Let me fly person. I'm a oak gang, bud. Oh, as just I said. There's oak. Ah. So that's it for today's video. Dice.